we think it's important to raise public awareness. These things are unlawful.
Unlawful and highly dangerous. This is a Glock switch, a device that can turn a semi-automatic gun into a mini machine gun. And it's easy to get, 3D printed or even bought online, but they are highly illegal under federal law. But that doesn't stop people from around here getting their hands on it. It is our top story tonight at 6. Hello, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I'm Doug Proffitt. So far this year, police and ATF agents have seized 19 Glock switches right here in the state of Kentucky. Focus investigative reporter Travis Breeze talked to U.S. Customs agents at the Cincinnati International Airport about how they hunt for these devices in airline cargo. Travis is joining us now with the story. Travis, what did you learn on this?
Doug, Kentucky has two of the busiest cargo airports in the country. Louisville is the third busiest with the UPS Worldport, and Cincinnati Northern Kentucky Airport is the sixth busiest as it has the global hub for DHL. It is an endless fight to stop illegal shipments coming into the country, and a lot of the front lines are happening right here in the Commonwealth.
I think we're saving lives on a daily basis.
Guns, drugs, and unregulated meds are seized by customs agents all around the country. One thing showing up more in Kentucky and through Kentucky is Glock switches.
It's a huge trend right now.
Glock switches on their own are classified as a machine gun, and it's a federal crime to own a machine gun made after 1986. Chief of the Customs and Border Protection Office in Northern Kentucky, Eric Zizelman, says they have seized 78 switches in the last 12 months. One was headed from China to Louisville last week until customs agents working at the DHL facility seized the device and alerted local authorities. What's the process like of inspecting something?
Every foreign arriving shipment into the United States gets screened for radiation.
Zizelman says after the radiation screening, they use intel from the National Targeting Center, from other agencies, and officers' own intuition to determine what needs to be x-rayed, drilled into, or eventually cut open.
Post x-ray examination becomes the physical exam, right? And so, and it's as intrusive as it needs to be.
This most recent arrest was made through a controlled delivery where the carrier repackages the shipment and police stake out the pickup spot. A federal jury has not yet issued an indictment. The Louisville ATF sent us a statement saying, quote, "It's not a coincidence that on some of the shooting scenes we see now there are more shots fired and more casings at crime scenes as evidence of these machine gun conversion devices. We take the possession of these devices seriously, and we will continue looking for ways to interdict them and stop them from threatening the safety of our communities." The quick rise in these Glock switches can be easily measured over the last 3 years. In 2020, the ATF seized 0 Glock switches across Kentucky. In 2021, agents seized a total of 13. And then by 2022, that number had jumped over 800% to over 125. These are statewide numbers, but we're told the vast majority were recovered in the metro area. 19 have been seized in the first 3 months of this year. In the studio, Travis Breeze, WHAS 11 on your side.